Might help if I get my release.
Are you recording? Of course you are. Guineas. And I forgot what I was going to play.
What's up guys, Trent with SC Outdoorsman here, and I just got in the mail a new box. Guess what? Best of all, made in the USA. So let's open this up. As you can see, the brand name said Marsupial. I've been looking for a new Bino harness. Read a lot of reviews, great reviews on this product. Plus I got some other stuff. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be wearing this a lot, just to get used to it, shooting my bow with it on, shooting my bow out of my saddle with it on, just to make sure that nothing's going to hinder me while I'm in the field. Actually tomorrow, going scouting, taking the bike out, I'm going to fully load this as if I was hunting, and we'll see how it does. See if it beats around on my chest or if it holds tight like the reviews say. So let's pull everything out. I got a few more things other than just a Bino case. So I got some pouches from them, put my batteries and stuff in. My kill kit, the bag on it was pretty large. I got a new bag for that. Here's the harness, and they've already put my rangefinder case on it as well. Looks like it's very well made. I like the idea of a pocket right here. This stretches. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to get the straps and everything on. I'm going to play with it a little bit. It's going to be a little warmer than I'm used to. I had a cheap Cabela's Bino harness. I'm going to shoot my bow a couple times, make sure the Bino harness case doesn't interfere with, number one, my draw cycle, me shooting. I've got the rangefinder on, I've got everything open because this is how I'm going to be when I'm in the saddle. So I want to do it on flat ground first, and then I'll get in the tree and make sure it doesn't interfere in all the different angles I'll be able to shoot while in the saddle. So I'm just going to sling a couple arrows and we'll see how it goes. Seems like it's pretty natural. I'm not bumping into anything. It's like it's not there, so other than I feel a little extra weight on my chest, but I can deal with that. See how good it is. One-handed close. I thought this would be loud. Nah. I'm in the saddle. I've got it a few feet off the ground, and more or less I just want to see what kind of range of motion I can get and see if this is going to interfere with my saddle. I know it was good to go on the ground, and it would be good to go in a tree stand. And this is the shot I'm concerned about. If I'm going to hit anything or if it's going to interfere, is this shot right here. So everything seems good. I'm going to grab my bow. Alright, so we're going to give it a shot. Go ahead and range. About 23 yards away. Let's see how we do. No problems. And that was the shot I was worried about. I believe this is going to work out just fine for saddle hunting. I'm going to do the completely behind shot. Range it first. I just stuck a target out there. Didn't get in the way. Hit the bullseye. Smoke City, baby. Styrofoam back straps tonight. It's my favorite. Gonna give this thing a real good field test today. Riding a bike, it should get beat around a little bit, see how well it holds up against my body. It's fully loaded with everything. Let's hit the trail. Back there. Y'all see what I done? He's gonna go knock out all the spider webs now. Look at that. Skills. Well guys, the Marsupial Bino Harness done great. We've been riding along the bumpy trails. They didn't move. No complaints with any of that. If I was to make a complaint, the only thing I would say is it's warm, you know. But any Bino harness you put on is going to do that. Today is over 90 degrees. The humidity is miserable. I'm soaking wet front and back, but I mean, it's just, it is what it is. It's part of August scouting. We're going to head back to the truck, cool off, go get a cold beer. Till then, y'all take care, stay safe.